So Madam Moses finally responded to people who were saying Mbe yabo yawangakafika vachienda kumusha yaisaita. Jumpsuit ravo has been trending the whole weekend. Vanhu vakawanda vachingotaura nezvejumpsuit irori. Vamwe vachiita live after live vachingotaura vachingodiscussa about the jumpsuit. So let me just read what she posted. And dear my beloved fans, I want to address those who feel that the way I dress affects them. Please tell me, how does my dressing affect you in your home, at your workplace, or in your personal life? Is my dressing paying your bills? Is it stopping you from breathing? Is it affecting the way you walk or stopping you from going to the toilet? Is it the cause of the problems you are facing in your home or at your work? I dress according to what my heart wants. I grew up in the rural areas and went to school there. I later continued with my education in Harare. Life was not easy. I failed school at some point and worked as a maid in different homes. I also worked in South Africa, but God lifted me up. I later got married into a very understanding and loving family, a family that took me as their daughter, not just as a Murora. Before I got married, I had already started my music career, which later expanded into acting and other opportunities. That journey made me a public figure with international exposure and awards. Because of my work, I travel around the world. I experience different culture styles and ways of life. Through all of this, I discovered that I love an artistic way of dressing. That is who I am. What you see me wearing is not by mistake, it is my choice and it represents me and my brand. I'll never dress to please anyone. I dress for myself. Now tell me, do you know anyone who dresses naked? Kushama mokuziya here imi. You stop it, in Soko's voice. Pfekai mega madumbu enyu. Inga anokufitai one. I see many people on the internet dressing the way they want and I do not judge. Even if I see someone older wearing something people think doesn't suit them, I simply scroll past. I mind my business because that is what they chose to wear. Some of you ask, why do you always wear sneakers? Because that is what I love and what I am comfortable in. I'm not comfortable in heels. If you ever see me wearing heels at an event, just know that solo dad mana or my dad will not last 10 minutes. I'll go to the toilet and change into push shoes or sneakers. Because in the Tori Nechimusha Chaicho heels bodo. Do not compare me to anyone else. Everyone has their own taste. Who am I to judge? As for me, until death, I'll wear what I want at any given event. You continue to see me and I'll continue living my life. What you see is what you get. These days, I love my Mubogad and Kushkanda Chembera. You see me Nemudonjo walking and dressed exactly the way I want. This is me. I'll never change to suit everyone else style. Daramba never. Yes, I know I'm now very old, but I refuse to grow old in spirit. And Kukura, I don't want to never. Chembera mega ini ndichachembera kana mwari anditendera. Yours truly, People's Choice Awards winner, BET Awards. Wake up. Can't you see? I'm your one and only, the one you voted for, the one you chose wholeheartedly. Come on, yours Beyonce Okutem. I love you guys. Pane chasara here apapa. Hapana chasara. Tanyatsokudzwa panapa kuti I'm going to dress the way I want. And I feel like ichokwadi. Vanhu ngatisade kuzoda kudirector vanhu to what suits our own narrative. Kunge muroora wekumba kwedu Madam Boss havasi muroora wekumba kwani, muroora wekwana Ngoni ndiye anofana, like maingoni ndiwo anofana kutaura kuti izvi hazviite ongoni, kuti mukadzi wangu zvauri kupfeka izvi shana nazvo. But isusu tinotoda kutotitaira because she's a public figure, tofanira kutomuonesa isusu kuti pfeka zvakati. I think kuti amen. I think sometimes tinozonyanyawo ende mashoko aya I hope everyone else anyatsoma understand, manyatsonzwisisawo kuti zviri kunzi chii panapa. Hanzi I'm not going to go get old zvamukuda kutaura kuti ndiite munhu mukuru, ndichapfeka mabhogadi iwawo kusvika amen. Handizivi hangu what you guys think kuti Madam Boss zvavari kutaura izvi in terms of dressing yavo zviri right here or vari kutorasa hunhu, or a lot of people are not going to follow because of this. I don't think so. Munhu ataura chokwadi chake. Kana mukada kuvengawo zvenyu pakadai so, aiwa vengai zvenyu kuti chii. Hanzi musandicompare nevamwe vanhu. Endai munocompare kwenyu ikoko, but kwandiri, don't ever compare me with anyone else, which to me I think it's fair enough. You don't compare someone with someone. Vanhu vakatosiyana, background yaMadam Boss mainzwa mega, and vatotaura kuti ini ndine an international icon, so I dress according zvandinoona kunze uko. Saka what more do you want?